kami sa Ikea, guys. So nice. Finally, nakapasok kami.
Yeah, so
May ganyan. Saan nila nilagay yan? Ganon. God, this is... Work from home here. Hi guys! Ikea! Yung mga gusto nating bilhin. Oh my God! Siyempre, yung Satterfallless talaga. Kahit... Guys, ang daming ilaw. Ito yung hinahanap mo. Blank. Let's find it. Yun yung part namin. Kasi hindi kami kumuha ng part kanina. Hi guys! So, I'm waiting for Nabi kasi marami siyang gustong bilhin. And look at this. Nasa checkout counter na kami guys. Sakto na ako sa mga binili ko. Happy na ako doon. Gamit sa bahay, besh. So, ayan lang. Gamit sa bahay. Guys, rocking chair. Finally, I can try it. Okay naman, comfy. Ay. Guys, kakain na kami finally.
after 2 hours.
After 2 hours. Hi, we're back! Oh, ang galing pa kuya, di ba? Finally, I'm going to vlog or share to you ano yung mga binili ko sa Ikea. This is a haul! First time natin to, guys. Hi! Okay, so, fresh from Ikea. umattend muna ako ng meeting. So, nakahabol ako sa meeting ko. I started my shopping mga 10:30 a.m. So, kami ni Nabi yung magkasama, yung kinakapatid ko, which is a good friend of mine. So, I have a small bag here, brat B, and meron akong big, medium lang naman. So, let's start. Okay. So, from the start, itong lahat ng mga items na to, binili ko to. Ito yung mga nasa cart ko sa online shop ng Ikea. So, parang, gosh, girl, finally, nasa kamay ko na sila. And, these are lower talaga yung prices nila. Hindi ako bumili ng mga sobrang mamahalin, lalo na hindi ko naman, alam mo yun, hindi ko kailangan ng masyadong madami o hindi ako nagpadala sa bugso ng damdamin like, bili dyan, bili doon. Get it, girl. So, walang ganon. So, I'm your Tita Jewel. So, this is it. Okay. So, ang first natin, this is a laundry basket. And, guys, this is, I don't know which, how do you call this, half? So, this is like 180 pesos lang. And then, first time ko siya nakita in person. And, all I can say is, sulit siya for 180 pesos kasi I thought this is a cloth. Pero hindi pala siya cloth. Isa pala siyang plastic na kahit ilagay ko siya sa CR, hindi mababasa yung damit ko. So, it's a good buy. Next is, oh my God! Papalitan ko na yung carpet ko na binili ko sa Shopee before, like 2 years ago. And it's dark color siya and bagay siya sa floor na white. But then again, my floor right now here in apartment, color brown. So, kailangan ko naman ng white or lighter color na mat or rug or whatever. So, eto yun. Oh my God! So, this one is 590. Sobrang laki niya, and to think, I've been eyeing a carpet or a rug or a mat, kahit anong tawag niyo dito, sa H&M, it cost you like 2,000 pesos. Pero, guys, I just got it for 590. So, nasa add to cart ko siya. So, nandito na siya finally. So, look. So, madali lang siya i-vacuum. Maganda yung quality niya. And, in fairness, heavy siya. And, bagay na siya sa floor ko. Okay. And then, after that, bumili ako ng sponge. This is for 50 pesos. So, yun. I like their sponge talaga. Yan. Yun lang. And then, ito yung nasa, this is coaster na kahoy. So, it's a coaster, 2 pieces for 90 pesos. And then, taran! Mug for 50 pesos. So, papalitan ko na yung mug ko na ginagamit ko everyday. So, I bought 2 pieces. Para naman, pag may bisita ako, partner pa rin kami. Pero wala naman akong bisita, so, I don't know. Dapat isa lang binili ko. Oh my God. Okay. Next is, bumili na ako ng hand towel sa Baguio, guys. Pero kasi, isa lang naman yun. Tapos naman, binili ko for 30 pesos ata to. So, this is also a hand towel. So, itatapon ko na talaga yung dugyot ko na hand towel talaga. Okay, next is tray. Oh my God, this is a tray kasi I'm planning na ibahin ko na yung lagay ng mga pang-coffee ko. And gusto ko siya ilagay sa ibabaw ng ref para mas accessible siya for me. So this is 390. I know, wala siya sa listahan ko, pero I bought it kasi this is 390. For me, it's pricey. Oh my God. So kailangan ma-ROI. So, there. And then, taran! Bottle brush. Tama? So, this is a brush for bottles na for my, lalo na sa water ko and my tumbler. So, this is only for 50 pesos. And mahaba siya, guys. So, talagang, go, push. Tapos, I bought 3 pieces of small, what you call this? Small Bradley bag. So, pwede siyang ganyan. Pwede siyang short handle. Tapos, pwede rin siyang long handle. So, dito ako sa place ko here in Makati, bawal kasi yung plastic. So, lahat ng gamit ko, pag pupunta ako ng grocery, lagi ako naka-tote bag. Tapos, kapag may frozen goods ako or may mga cold ako na beverage na nabibili, Mas prefer ko ito kasi, yan. Sako bag siya. So, mahilig tayo sa sako ngayon, girl. Ayan, sako. I bought 3 kasi maybe the 2 paglalagyan ko ng gift. So, I'm thinking, sino yung bibigyan ko ng gift na may ganitong bag. So, ayan. Tapos yan, I have this, empty na. So, my next stop is this one, smallest. So, aside from yung mga gamit sa bahay, meron din silang chocolate. So, I bought this for 85 pesos. Dark chocolate. Oh guys, by the way, this is 30 pesos. And this is 40 pesos. Yeah, so next is oat biscuits. This is 145. So may iba rin silang biscuits, pero those are ginger with almond or ginger lang. So I don't like ginger. I do love turmeric pag nilalagay ko siya sa coffee, pero for cookies, no, it's a no. So this one is chocolate biscuits naman. So this is 89 pesos. Okay. And then pasta for 119, I guess. I think this is just 119. So this is a pasta shape in, may shape siya na deer. Yan. So may deer siya. So kailangan ko ng pasta ngayon kasi minsan tamad ako ayoko mag-rice. So talagang nagpa-pasta ako, guys. Pesto or olive oil lang, ganon. So dahil meron tayo mga cookies dito and biscuits, I bought a cookie jar. Cookie jar is only 120. So imagine, this is 120 pesos. Cookie jar na parang, what? This is 120 pesos. So guys, Ikea they have affordable items na below 100 pesos. So imagine, so nagastos ko lahat dito is, I think the first bag ko, nagastos ko is 1,610. And for this one, I don't know, I miss out, pero nasa less than, lang siya, less than 500 or nasa 500 to 600 yung range ng food. Tapos, aside from that, nakagastos kami sa food namin ni Nabi for 1,237. Sobrang mura ng mga meatballs nila, spaghetti, salmon, french fries, spaghetti. Spaghetti is like 59 pesos. Tapos, yung salad nila 55 pesos. Yung meatballs nila 250. So, ayun, medyo mura siya. So, when it comes to food naman, parang ako kumain ng burger steak. Sorry, pero pag unang kagat ko sa meatballs nila, para talagang burger steak ng Jollibee. Oh my God. I was like, I thought it's something na parang magre-rainbow yung bibig namin. Pero, it's okay. Ganon. So, tinikman lang namin lahat-lahat. And gutom kami sa pag-shopping namin ni Nabe. And it was a good experience as well kasi sa morning kami nag-shop and lahat ng tao, mas matao talaga. I mean, mas matao sa hapon. So, I think mas magulo. Tulad kanina, we witness it. So, yun. That's all. So, I think yung tip ko talaga, tip number 1 is kain muna kayo bago kayo mag-shop if you want. But if you can shop naman before you eat, it's okay as long as you have 2 hours na nakalaan sa paghihintay sa restaurant. Kasi pumila kami ng 1 hour, I think more than an hour, para lang kumain. And it was worth it naman. And it was a good experience. And maybe I will come back maybe next year, I guess. So I think these are okay na for me. These are okay na for me. And it was a good experience. So that's all for now. Bye!